Why is the house so quiet this morning? I do not hear Mom anywhere in the house. Look at the clock. It is already 7. Oh no! We are going to be late! Mom always wakes us early every morning. Yeah, but we're gonna make it this time. Mom, please wake up now. We are late.
What time is it right now?
It is 7 o'clock already, Mom.
Oh no, I overslept this morning. Did you really oversleep today? I worked very late last night at home. Wake up, sweetie, we're gonna be late.
Mom, I'm already up.
Okay, good, hurry up and get dressed. The bus is gonna be here soon.
Where are my socks? I cannot find them. I cannot find my school uniform anywhere.
Everyone hurry up now, we have no time.
Stay calm, do not panic. We can do this.
Brush your teeth quickly and get ready. I am brushing too fast. This feels messy. Hurry! Put your shoes on quickly. We must go.
I am making a quick breakfast for everyone.
I am eating too fast. I cannot chew well. I should eat slower now.
Please chew slowly or you may choke.
Hurry up, Lucy. I'm gonna be late.
Just be careful.
Why is this only plain toast today, Mom?
Here I add jam to make it better.
Yay! This looks much better and tasty.
Eat some dry fruits. They give you energy.
Lunch boxes are ready for school now.
Can I have an apple in my lunchbox? Oh, darling, of course you can.
Yes, I will cut one for you now.
Where is my school bag? I cannot see it.
Your bag is near the door. Go check there.
Everyone, let's go now before we are too late.
My bag is here. I forgot it on my back. Wait, I think I hear the school bus. Oh no, the bus already left without us. Our teacher may be angry with us today.
Do not panic. We will find another way.
Yes, we will think of a good solution. Maybe we can call Uncle Mike for help.
Mike, can you please come help us quickly?
What happened? Why do you need help now?
Ow. We missed the school bus this morning.
Lucy overslept today? That is surprising.
Yes. I am really sorry about this.
Do not worry, I will come right now.
Yay! Thank you so much for helping us. Will we still be late to school today?
Don't worry, sweetie. Everything will be fine. We have plenty of time.
Do not worry, help is coming very soon.
Okay.
Quickly get in, we will go together.
Uncle Mike, you are like a hero today.
Yes, I am your fast hero driver today.
Why do adults feel tired every day?
Because they work very hard every day.
Then we should help Mom more at home.
That makes me feel very happy and proud.
Do not worry, we can still make it.
All right, we made it. Have a wonderful day, you two.
Yay! Bye, Mom.
Why are you late to school this morning?
We had a very busy and hard morning.
Thank you for letting me know, Mr. Mike.
We are very sorry for being late today. We really tried our best to come fast.
Okay, it is fine for today. Only.
We made it to school just in time. Yes, we are not too late anymore.
I feel very tired after this morning.
You need to rest more and take care.
Yes, I understand. I will rest more.
Mom, we are back home from school now.
Welcome back. How was your school today?
It was great, Mom.
So fun.
The teacher was kind and did not scold us.
We were only 5 minutes late today. That is good. I feel much better now.
Mom, you should rest more every day. Thanks, sweetie. I will.
Yeah, rest up, Mom.
Yeah. Yes, we can help you at home too.
Thank you. You are very kind children.
We should always check the alarm at night. We can wake you up every morning. Cock-a-doodle-doo!
My little alarm clocks are here.
But not too early in the morning, please.
Haha, that is very funny and true. Haha, that is very funny and true.
Thank you for helping me today, my kids.
Family always helps each other every day. Yes, we are a strong teamwork family.
You are very good and helpful children. Come, eat dinner and enjoy the evening. We are, thank you.
Food is ready.
Smells delicious.
This food looks so yummy and delicious. Yes, this dinner is really very good.
Tonight we should sleep early together.
That's a great idea, Lucy.
We sure should. Yes, we will sleep early tonight. I set the alarm for tomorrow morning. Everything is ready for tomorrow now.
Good job, everyone. I am very proud. Good night, everyone. I feel very sleepy. Good night, sweetie.
Good night. I want to sleep now.
Good night, my children. Sleep well.